Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to Big Green, our 1981 Chevy K10. Got a lot of odds and ends we'd like to do to it, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'll show you the square body here. Some of the things we need to take care of is just a little bit of body work right here. Overall, it's a pretty nice truck. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do today is see if we can adjust the clutch. A lot of play in it. And we're also going to change the oil. Okay, so we're going to adjust the clutch. And to do that, we have to lengthen this piece of all thread right here and then put it back together. Alright, so what I did is I moved this out farther out here, and that'll take out the slack in the clutch pedal. And I just got to put it back together. Stick the pin back in. Spring it open. Should be good to go. Let's check out the pedal. Alright. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Alright, let's get the oil changed.
She's all pumping out. Need another one? What?
Really under.
Do you have oil for it? Here.
Alright, we'll finish letting that drain and get the plug back in. Alright, I got the filter ready to put back on. Nice and snug. And the drain plug. bit. All right, now we'll just dump the oil in. So I'm not sponsored by Castrol, but if they want to sponsor me and send me some oil, I'll definitely take it. That'll do it. Then we'll run it and we'll check the dipstick. Make sure we got enough oil. Alright, I give it a few minutes to set. Let's check the dipstick. Let's wipe it off first.
You like that car that we bought?
It's full. So it takes 5 quarts. Alright, let's take a test drive and check out that clutch. Alright, let's try this clutch out.